Hello and welcome to my kitchen, Danny's Kitchen. I'm Danny Andrea and tonight I'm going to be cooking a Greek style lemon potato baked in the oven. Can't wait. So for this dish you need obviously potatoes, probably about 2 potatoes per person, 3 or 4 onions, again it all depends how many people you're cooking for, salt, pepper, chicken stock, some minced garlic, olive oil, couple of carrots, a lemon and some oregano and some Italian herb seasoning. Alright, so this is quite a chunky dish, so the vegetables to be cut in a nice chunky way. So onion cut in half, half again and then quarter. Just like that. With the carrot, this is quite a large carrot, so I'm going to cut that in half. Straight down the middle and then half again, so all nice and chunky. We're not delicate in Danny's kitchen. And as for the potatoes, you want like thick wedges, so cut the potato in half, just do nice chunky, like you're doing really thick carvery chips. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so once you've diced everything up, just place it all in the tray, spread out nicely. I actually got this idea from my cousin in New Zealand. She gave me the idea and I tweaked a couple of things and this is what we've come up with. Okay, so chicken stock about 500 mils. Obviously the more potatoes you've got, the more stock you will need. Pour most of that in. We've got to save some for later because this has got to take an hour and a half. So we're going to do it in 45-minute lots. Get your garlic. I would say 2 to 3 teaspoons of the minced garlic. Get your salt. A nice sprinkle all over. Pepper, then you get your mixed herbs, your oregano and the Italian herbs. I've mixed them in together, not too much because you don't want to overpower the taste of everything else. Fresh lemon all over. Don't be afraid of the fresh citrus fruit, it really does enhance the flavour. And last but not least, you need a good dollop of olive oil. You want to put a fair bit in here because the potatoes are still got to roast. But that mixed in with the lemon and everything else. Okay, so straight in the oven. So I'm going to put that on for 150 degrees for about 45 minutes, depending on your oven. Mine's a really strong one, so just adjust the temperature as to how you know your oven. So 150 for the first 45, and then we'll come back and have a sniff and a stir. That's been cooking for 45 minutes now. What I'm going to do is take it out. I'm going to give it a bit of a stir. So it's still got plenty of juice in there. I saved some of the stock because sometimes it could dry out and you need to add a bit more. I think with this one, I don't think I'm going to add any more. Just going to leave it as it is. So give it a good stir up. Just going to crank the heat up to 200. It's the end of the other 45 minutes now, so it's an hour and a half total. 15 minutes ago I came in, I turned it down to 180. It soaked up all those beautiful juices, so I just turn this off now. It smells the whole household. Open it slowly. Alright, look at that. So what you could have done with the excess juice throughout the cooking period, if you see it dry out, in hindsight I probably could have kept a lot of these, some of this juice and just soak it in. So here we have lemon potatoes with some veg thrown in, bit of a twist, about an hour and a half to cook. Tastes great. We've got the crunchiness, the softness. It's just amazing. Thanks for joining me in Danny's kitchen. Hope you enjoyed everything that you saw. If you did, please like and subscribe. And remember one thing, life's too short for that food.